How we doing, guys? It's Kerry here with JB Plumbing. Customer called house, said the toilet wasn't flushing properly. It's getting a weird noise. So let's check it out. We gotta go find out what's going on. Well, we're here at a beautiful day in Greenville up on the roof. Not a roofer, but hey, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Look what we have here. Fern coat cap on the roof. Let's remove and see what we got. Well, looks like we're back in the bathroom, testing it out. Found a cap on the roof. Test it out and see what we got. No more sound. Looks like we fixed the issue. New Ghostbusters in town. Yeah, boy. On to the next one.